Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest, and today I bring you a brand new and exclusive Xiaomi device. It's the Xiaomi M1A2. Now, this phone has been hyped for a long time in the media, and it's finally here. And the reason why it's so important and so many people are waiting for it, it's because it's an Android One device, meaning not only is it a Xiaomi smartphone, but it also brings the stock experience from Android, that is the clean version of Android, in this case Android 8.1 Oreo. And being an Android One device, and it says so in the back here, in the bottom it says Android One. It's very hard to pick up because it's dark, but you can see it in pictures online or on our page for sure. Anyway, being Android One, it will get all the updates from Android for the upcoming probably 1 or 2 years at least, so that's guaranteed, and it's great, and it's something that doesn't happen in many smartphones nowadays, especially for a mid-range one like this A2. So speaking of specs, but before that, the design, since I showed the back, it's a very slim body, metal in the back with the dual cameras right there, by the way, 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixels, and the flash LED light and the fingerprint scanner right there. So yeah, very slim design, very sturdy, very lightweight, no 3.5 millimeter jack anywhere here, so to make it more thin, but don't worry, in the box it will come with an adapter, so that's taken care of. Type-C USB-C here in the bottom, where you will charge the device with a cable and connect your headphones or other accessories if you want. And now finally, for the specs, but also the look of it, the display. It's a 5.99 inch Full HD display. It looks great, almost bezel-less in the sides. It's not a full display screen. It has here the top, it has the camera, the front camera, by the way, 20 megapixel, and the mic, the speaker. Also has a chin here in the bottom, but very nicely looking display. Inside we have 4 GB of RAM plus 64 gigs of storage that cannot be expanded, so take that into account. Plus the CPU, it's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, it's an Octa core, clocking in at 2.2 GHz per core. Also the battery, 3010 milliamp battery, so it's more than 3000, you have that 10 extra milliamps right there. And that's pretty much it. Now remember, this is an Android One device. It's kind of like sponsored by Google, kind of, you know, it's an initiative, cooperation between Google and smartphone manufacturers, and they're doing it with Xiaomi, this one, the Mi-A2. So check the links below for all the details, all the specs, and obviously the pricing. Very attractive price for this Xiaomi smartphone, and it looks really nice, it looks really great. It also comes in other colors, by the way, so check that out in the page. Like and subscribe right there in the corner, and thank you for watching. Thank you.